You stand at the edge of a volcano. It's not erupting, yet, but molten rock bubbles deep inside. And then, you drop in a mountain of ice. Not a bucket, not a truckload. Let's say 2,500 cubic meters, the volume of an Olympic swimming pool. That's 2.5 million liters of solid water. What happens next? Well, nothing good. Let's find out what happens when you fill a volcano with ice. Here's the scenario. The volcano is active, with magma at 1,200 degrees Celsius, 2,192 degrees Fahrenheit. You drop in 2.5 million kilograms of ice. The pressure inside the vent is already unstable. You just made it worse. Why is that a problem? Because when ice meets magma, it doesn't melt, it explodes. Water expands 1,600 times in volume when it becomes steam. So, 2.5 million liters of water equals up to 4 billion liters of steam almost instantly. That's like turning an entire neighborhood into a pressure bomb. The result? A phreatomagmatic explosion, a violent reaction between magma and water. The speed of this reaction can exceed 100 meters per second. That's like a volcanic shotgun fired straight up and out. At first, your ice sits. It sizzles, cracks. Then comes a sound like tearing the sky open in milliseconds. Pressure builds to hundreds of atmospheres. Ash and rock shoot 6 to 15 kilometers into the sky. Shrapnel-sized lava bombs fly out at over 300 kilometers per hour. A pyroclastic surge races outward at up to 700 kilometers per hour. You are no longer a curious scientist. You are volcanic confetti. Volcano plus glacier equals steam explosion. Ash cloud reached 9,000 meters, 30,000 feet. Flights canceled across 20-plus European countries. Estimated cost $5 billion US, all caused by magma interacting with ice. You're doing the same thing, but on purpose. Even if the volcano doesn't blow, melted ice seeps down into the crust. Pressure builds in underground chambers, rock fractures, the dome collapses. Eventually, the volcano self-erupts. And you've just triggered an eruption that was supposed to happen 50 years from now. Let's add some more fun numbers. Steam volume from 1 kilogram of ice, 1.6 cubic meters. 2.5 million kilograms equals 4 million cubic meters of superheated gas. Energy released equals approximately 10 to the power of 12 joules. That's roughly the energy of a small tactical nuke. You could level everything in a 5-kilometer radius. Oh, and depending on terrain, the steam cloud could carry ash particles that short-circuit airplanes, sulfur dioxide that creates acid rain, lahar flows, fast-moving volcanic mud that drowns entire towns. Still think it's just an ice cube? So, what happens if you fill a volcano with ice? In numbers, 2.5 million kilograms of ice, 4 million cubic meters of expanding gas energy, equal to 250 tons of TNT, and the very real chance you become part of the ash layer. The bottom line? You didn't cool the volcano. You woke it up, and it wasn't in a good mood.